Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to display hundreds of pages on your Wix website without creating each one manually? In this video, I will show you how to create dynamic pages in Wix using a database perfect for blogs, portfolios, real estate listings, or product catalogs. No coding required. Let's get started. First of all, we need to know what are dynamic pages. So, dynamic dynamic pages allow you to design one page layout and then display different content using a database instead of building a new page for every product, testimonial, or project. You create one design and connect it to your data. Step 1. Go to Wix editor. Now log into your account. Once you are in, find the option called Content Manager from your dashboard. You can search in the Google, then go to images. Now you will see the Content Manager tool. So open your site, click Edit Site. Now wait for loading. Once you are in, you will see the dashboard like this. So once you are in, go to the Elements tab from the left side bar. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Now click the plus icon and it is your Content Manager tool. So now search for new collection or only collection. Collection like this. Click on it. Then click Start Now. Now choose one from here like portfolio, like click Add to a site. You will now see a spreadsheet style table. Add your fields like title, description, image, plug, like URL, ID, anything else you need. Input simple rows of content like this. From here, you can add item, title it like slug, client name, description, etc. Then click Save. Once done, go to Elements tab. Now search for dynamic page. If available, it appear here. Or search for only pages. If available, click on it or go to Projects tab from the left side bar or click the Pages section. Now click Add New Page, then click Add Dynamic Page. Select your collection like projects and Wix will create a dynamic page linked to that collection. This dynamic page looks just like a regular page, but every element can be connected to your database. Click on any element like text or image and then click Connect to Data. Example, title connects to title, image connects to image, description connects to description. Your dynamic page will use a URL like your website.com/project/project name. In your collection, make sure each item has a unique slug like logo design or modern website. This becomes the page's custom link. Then click the preview or eye icon and test your dynamic pages like this. Each item in your collection will now generate a unique, fully designed page based on the same layout. You can also make a list page that shows all your dynamic content like a blog homepage or portfolio grid. Then add a repeater, connect to your collection, display title, image or link buttons. Each item can link to the individual dynamic page using a link to dynamic page option. Use filters and sorting to control what shows on list pages. Use multiple dynamic collections for blogs, testimonials, or products. Update content from the CMS without touching your design. And that's how you create dynamic pages in Wix like a pro, all without coding. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Wix tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.